Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Marachi here again. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. If you are just stopping by for the first time, thank you very much for coming. My name is Amarachi. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Germany. I hope you guys will find my channel interesting. If you do, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. In today's video, I will be showing you through what I'm going to buy in the market. We are going to where they normally sell kitchen stuff. We want to go and get some kitchen things, okay? We have to get some pots, some plates, some things that we need in the kitchen, okay? All things are passed away and behold, everything has become new, so says the Bible. So yes, we have to get some new things in the kitchen. And also we'll be getting some certain things like some bedspread, and just follow us so that we'll get to know what to buy, because I don't want to expose everything here, okay? Let's go and get it ourselves. I want to appreciate all my old subscribers. Thank you always for coming to watch my content, always coming to check on me, always coming to watch on my content. I so much appreciate you, and I don't take your love for granted. I say may God bless you all and keep you for all your support, all your encourages, all your comments, all your likes, even your thumbs down. I really appreciate all of them. Thank you so much. So I don't want my intro to be too long. Let's go, okay? See you later. Hi guys, so I'm through from the shopping. Initially what I was intending to get, I couldn't find it there. Okay, the set of pots and the plates that they have there is not what I want, but as you can see from the back seat, we got some bed sheets, some pillowcase, some pillows. You know, when I get home, I think I will unveil what I got for you guys to see if I have the strength, because babes, your babe is tired. Guys, your babes is tired, like seriously. Okay, no problem, I'm just going home. We are tired. As you can see, my husband is even yawning at the background. We are just touring around that place because that place is too big. That shop is very big. I will see you guys in a jiffy. Don't go anywhere, okay? Love you guys. Mwah. Hi guys, you're welcome back. So we are home now, and I'll be showing you guys all the things that we got from the shop. Like I said before, we couldn't get the pots that I wanted to buy, the plates that I wanted to buy. I couldn't find it there. The set of plates and pots that is there, I don't like it. So we'll be doing that shopping next time. But I got lots of things, okay? I got things that I'll be showing you guys. I got some bed sheets, some bed spray, and this is one of the bed spray. I think I got 4 of these. I got 4 of this bed spray. I got the white. This one is 2-in-1. This one is 2-in-1, so it's pink. As you can see, the color so nice. And I got this blue. This blue is fine. I just like this blue. So that is it for the bed spray. And for the bed sheets, I got lots of colors from the bed sheets. For the bed sheet, it's so fine. So this is one of it. This is one of the color. This is how the bed sheets looks like. This is how the color look like, the pattern. Okay, this is how it looks. It's fine. I just like it. This one comes with just one pillowcase. Okay, comes with this pattern of bed sheet with one pillowcase. So I have to get 2. I have to get 2 from this particular one because we want 2 pillowcase. Okay, we don't want to be, if I spread my sheets, my bed, I want the pillowcase to look alike. So I got 2 from this. So this one is another one. Yeah, look at the color, look at how it looks. This is the pattern. So fine. This is beautiful. This one is a little bit expensive. This one is expensive more than the other one, but I wouldn't mind because it's beautiful. Look at it. So fine. So I got 2 because of the same reason. It's just one pillowcase, so I got 2. So this is it. So I still got this one. Look at the pattern of this. So fine. Look at how it looks, guys. This one is beautiful. I love this. So I got 2 the same. I got 2 from this one the same. So this is how it looks. I love it. It's beautiful. Which one did you like from inside? You can write it in the comment section below, okay guys? So I got this one. This is how it comes. This one is with I think 4 pillowcase. It's like a duvet. Yes, this is like a duvet, and this is how it looks. This is packaging. This is how they packaged it. Let me unbox it and see how it looks inside. Let me open it for you guys to see. So yes, this is, I don't know, my camera is not doing justice to this sheet. So this is exactly how it looks, and it's so thick. I like how the thickness. I love how thick it is in this cold weather. You know, you need this kind of a thick duvet, and it's a flower design. I love it. My camera, I don't know if it's doing justice. It's a white background with some rose on it. It's beautiful, and this is how it comes. This is the package, how it comes. So that is for that. So I got pillowcase. Sorry, not pillowcase. I got some pillows. I got two red pillows and two orange pillows. Okay, don't mind the colors. I will use the pillowcase to cover it. So yes, but this is how the pillow looks like. So big. Like, guys, when I came to Germany, the first time I came to this house, I was like, why is the pillow so big? Like, in Nigeria, we don't have this kind of big pillow, like as if you want to. This one is like bed now. When you put this one on top of your bed, everywhere will be filled up. Like, the pillows over here is so big, and I was like, is this how pillows looks like? Please, so don't laugh at me. I'm just saying my experience in Germany. First time coming to Germany, the pillows was like, is this how the pillow looks like? Don't you have small pillow? But yeah, this is how it looks like. I got 4 of these, 2 of the red and 2 of this other one. So I got 4 pillows. So the next thing that I got, I have this I don't know, is it fruit storage? Yeah, I don't know what. Please, what's the name of this stuff where they normally keep fruits, where they normally store fruits? Is fruit storage. If I'm not correct, please put it in the comment section. Let me know what they call this stuff. Okay, I just love the pattern. Okay, I've been putting my fruit on top of my kitchen cabinet and it's not looking nice, so I just want to arrange them well in this kind of a basket where you put fruits. But this one is not basket, is iron. I don't know if it's still called fruit cup. In German it's called Obstkorb, but I don't know in English what is it called. If you translate it to English, it's called fruit basket. But yeah, fruit storage. Let me just call it like that, fruit. So the last thing that I got is this. I just got some spoons. Yeah. This is the only thing I got for my kitchen stuff. I just got some spoons and yeah. They don't have the one I was looking for, but yeah, we'll get that in another shop. So the rest of them, I've already packaged everything in the kitchen, like food stuff and the rest of them. We have to go for a little bit shopping for the food stuff, so I can't bring those ones here and be showing you. So I just want to show you the important things, the main reason why I left the house with my hubby to go and do shopping. Yeah, so this is what I got. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Love you so much. Mwah. Bye.